Running a Shopify store is exciting, but managing inventory? Not so much. If you're still counting products manually, dealing with barcode scans, or struggling with stock mismatches, you're losing time, money, and sales. Without RFID, inventory management is time-consuming and prone to errors. You waste hours counting stock, fixing mistakes, and tracking down lost inventory. Sound familiar? But don't worry, we've got the perfect solution. Say goodbye to manual tracking and hello to real-time, effortless inventory management. With TagMatiks RFID Connect, inventory updates instantly, audits take minutes, and stock discrepancies disappear. Getting started is easy. Here's how it works in just 6 simple steps. Step 1. Sync your inventory with Shopify. Automatic updates, no manual entry needed. Step 2. After syncing the inventory in Shopify, it will move to TagMatiks Retail. Step 3. Print RFID labels for your products and tag them effortlessly. Step 4. Scan hundreds of items in seconds. No line of sight needed. Step 5. Your inventory updates instantly in Shopify. No errors, no missing products. And Step 6. Track and analyze your inventory for complete control and accuracy. TagMatiks Retail features for the Shopify users. Integrated with Shopify, an e-commerce platform. Inventory management with a new inventory option, categorized by location. Reconciliation feature available to mark assets as sold or newly received in the quantity. Generate reports based on printed tags and cycle count. Update inventory in the Shopify store. Shopify integration. Syncs directly with Shopify to update product listings, stock levels, and orders in real time. Location-based inventory management. Add new inventory and categorize it by location for better tracking. Reconciliation. Mark items as sold or received to maintain accurate stock levels and detect discrepancies. Tag and cycle count reports. Generate reports based on printed tags and regular cycle counts to track inventory accuracy. Real-time Shopify updates. Automatically updates inventory changes in your Shopify store to prevent overselling. Why should you upgrade to RFID-powered inventory management? Here's why. Lightning-fast stock updates. Real-time sync with Shopify in one click. Reduce manual errors. Track every movement. Whether you're selling fashion, beauty, electronics, home goods, food, health and wellness products, or even pet supplies, baby products, sports gear, or jewelry, TagMatiks RFID Retail works for you. Let's see the difference. With Barcode, you spend hours manually counting products, fixing errors, and dealing with missing stock. With RFID, inventory updates instantly, audits take minutes, and stock discrepancies disappear. Stop wasting time with outdated inventory management. Upgrade to TagMatiks RFID Connect today and take control of your stock like never before. Click the link below to get started.